I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Donmily hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit literally has no combs, but it does have adjustable straps and it has no lace to cut off, and this is a body wave unit. So it really didn't take a whole lot of styling. I did wear a wig grip and I adjusted the straps, and literally this little part that you see me doing with the bang is basically all that I'm gonna have to do to this unit. I'm not sure right now the length of this unit, but check the description box so you guys will know. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me finish styling it, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit was sent to me by Donmily hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now, the details and specs with this wig, I don't know the length, girl, and I'm not 100% sure about the density either, but I'll give you the details and specs that they have on the site. So this unit, it says Donmily machine made wig with bangs, body wave, human hair wig. It's 150% density. So I do know the density because this only does come in 150% density human hair. So it comes in inches ranging from 12 inches being the lowest to 24 being the longest. And if you get it in 12 inches, it's $70. And if you get it in 24 inches, it's $198. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, that's pretty much all of the information that they have available. It is on a natural black color, and it is a one piece, and then it says base material Swiss lace. Now with this wig, there is no lace to cut off whatsoever, and you guys know I love that. Girl, if you hand me a wig that ain't no lace to cut off, like, we good. Okay, we good. So there was no lace to cut off. There's also no combs with this wig whatsoever, and it does come with adjustable straps. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like this wig is big head friendly, and it doesn't look like you can get it in any other size versus other than the standard size. Now, I do consider myself more on the small head spectrum these days, and this is just one of those wigs that I feel like whether your head is small or large, you can wear it. So I do have on my wig grip, and I did adjust the straps, and it made it work and fit just fine. So I feel like that will be the case with everybody, girl. Okay. Like, I feel like it's just one of those wigs that everybody can wear. Now, as far as tangles, like, honey, I haven't noticed any tangles, but I also haven't run my fingers through it. I'm running it through it now, and I'm not hitting no snags, so that is always a plus. And I am doing the same on the other side. Now, shedding, I haven't noticed as of yet. It may shed at some point, but I haven't noticed any shedding with this wig whatsoever. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. This is like one of those wigs that is like super easy to style. It's not a whole lot that I can say about it, even construction wise. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into what I think about this wig. Okay, so this is all of the hair brought to the front right here. So this is all of it. Mind you, it is 150% density, so it's not like super thick, but honestly, it does feel a little bit more thick than the normal 150% density. So that is definitely a plus, but this is all of it right here. And this is it in the back. I hope you guys can see y'all. Don't mind my pants, honey. Y'all ain't supposed to see my pants. right, so if you are interested in how I feel about this wig, as well as anything that I had to personally do to it, then please continue to watch. Okay, so what do I think about this wig? Honestly, y'all, I think this wig is a really cute throw on and go type of unit, and I love that it's body wave. And honestly, I did straighten the bang some because I don't really like the wavy type bang look, but I did like that it did come with some waves, and I tried not to like get rid of all of the waves because I love hate a wig to be curly and a bang to be straight. Like, I get that a bang more than likely would need to be straight, you know, so you don't get that Rick James effect, but I do like that it had a little wave to it. Like, it wasn't like the bang was bone straight when the hair is like a body wave. So I did like that with this unit, but I did straighten it some, but you can kind of see still a little bit of a wave. I do like that about this wig. Now, this is a wig that has no lace, so that is kind of like a preference thing. I like a wig that has no lace, but I also don't care about nobody knowing I'm wearing a wig either. So it just kind of depends on you, because, like, you know, there's no parting here whatsoever. So that's just something that kind of depends on you and what you like and what you worried about and whatever. I don't care, girl. Okay, I don't care. But like I said, that is a preference thing. Now with this wig, it didn't take a whole lot. Like, I put her on my head and basically did this a little bit and combed through the bang and called it a day. Like, I just feel like she's one of those wigs that to me is like just an easy slay, like an easy throw on and go type of unit. You can do more. I actually did plug up my curling iron because I was gonna, normally when it comes to body wave wigs, I do curl them, and I was like, no, I want to show you like that you can throw on this type of wig, just throw it on and be cute anyway. So that's what she did, girl. Okay, like that's what I'm giving y'all. Now if you see a little bit more bounce in the thumbnail, that was for thumbnail purposes, but yeah, I think she's a look. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you own a wig? Like, this is literally my first wig that's a body wave banged wig, and I like her. Let me know down below if you own one and if you like this one. Like, let me know if this is your swag, girl. If you like, that ain't my swag, I don't like her. Let me know down below. Either way, child, she don't care. Let me know, okay? Let me know if you would rock her or not. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Now, I did it was a little bit on the frizzy side, as my body wave units tends to be. So I did apply this new spray that I got from TJ Maxx the other day. It's the Chi Helmet Head Extra Firm Hairspray, and child, she firm. Okay, I'm finna see if I can lay my wig with her because, girl, she got this hair kind of hard over here. So yeah, I did spray a little bit of that to like trying to control the frizz a little bit. But yeah, she's a look, she's a vibe. Let me know what you think. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Is it a look? Is it a vibe? Let me know down below. If it is, I will have a direct link to it if you want to cop a girl. If you are interested in her, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not ready to subscribe, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss D on Snapchat and on Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.